Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 4. Um, just want to talk to you about a few things today. Shouldn't be a very long video announcement. Okay, so quizzes. I've received over the last few weeks, basically since the term has started, various requests from students who didn't take the quiz or started the quiz late on Sunday night and had some kind of a computer glitch and then couldn't complete it. So for the first few weeks, I'm pretty understanding about that sort of thing, and I have reset the quiz for a number of you so that you could retake it. But going forward, we're not going to do that anymore. So if you've missed the quiz, or you didn't do well on the quiz, or you waited until Sunday night to start on it and you had a computer glitch, you're not going to be able to retake it. Now, we're only talking about 5 points with the quiz, but they do add up. So my advice to you is this. As I said with the discussion board, the same with the quiz. Try to do it as early in the week as possible. Don't wait until Sunday night to do your assignments. The quiz doesn't take that long. Review the PowerPoint presentation, review the summary of the chapter, and then take the quiz. Again, try to do that as early in the week as possible, and then you're done with it, and you don't have to worry about, if I wait till Sunday night and my computer gives me a problem, then you can't do the quiz. So. Okay, the discussion board. The discussion boards are looking really well. I'm so impressed with you all. I do want to remind you when you're responding to one of your fellow classmates, be sure you use their first name. That's just a courtesy. And it also helps me see that you're engaging with each other, which is what I'm seeing so far. It looks great. So this week, our discussion board is centered around capitalism and Marx's view. We're looking at classical urban theory. And, as you know, Marx had his issues with capitalism. And you can see this in the West Las Vegas social historical perspective, that the economy, one of the major institutions of society, was used to discriminate against African Americans. They weren't allowed to have businesses downtown anymore. Those were pushed out in the 30s and early 40s. They were pushed over to the other side of the railroad tracks in what is now known as West Las Vegas. And as a result, their businesses thrived because they couldn't shop anywhere else. So many people started their own businesses, and West Las Vegas had a very booming, thriving economy until integration came in the 60s. And then we saw many of those businesses fold up as African Americans were free to live in other places, shop in other places. And so that gradually caused a downfall in their economy. And of course, you're going to need the community action textbook for this one. All right, a few of you have been talking to me about your research paper, and I'm glad to see that. Again, what I always advise students to do is to take the paper, look at the guidelines, look at the rubric, and then set up an outline. And then from that outline, you start filling in the blanks. So it's not too early to start. You can find it in the assignments. You can find it in the modules. It's there. You can click on it. You can start working on it right away. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, just get a hold of me and we'll figure it out together. Okay, that's it from rainy Oregon. We are so hoping for some sunshine later this week. It's been a real rainy season. Since October 1st, we've had over 50 inches of rain, if you can imagine that. So anyway, I hope you all have a sunshiny week down there in Southern California, those of you who are in the Los Angeles area. And we'll talk to you all real soon.